Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Rajamir Songkwan from Quirino Province. I am 34 years old. I am a single mother with one child who is now 2 years old. I am a college graduate, but due to financial circumstances and life stability, I need to find job so that I can provide to the needs of my family. I am a hardworking and honest person. I am also flexible and can work overtime and adaptable to place changes and can work during holidays if needed. I work as a nanny for 2 years and a housekeeper for almost 2 years from two different families near our province. My main duty is to take care of their 2-year-old daughter and to tend to the needs of their pets who are cats and dogs. And also to maintain cleanliness of the outside surrounding of their house. Occasionally, I also do cooking and washing the dishes. To my future employer, if you hire me, I promise to do my duties and assign tasks to the best that I can. And that I will finish my 2 years contract and will extend if you still need my service. Thank you, and I hope that I can serve your family soon. God bless.